Mid-Atlantic Business School, the first to educate entrepreneurs and executives in the Canary Islands. It is time to improve your leadership. We focus on knowledge acquisition, development of competences and abilities of students in an action-oriented way through the CASE method. We have been training business leaders that produce a deep, positive and long-lasting impact in society for more than 25 years. Come live the experience. Mid-Atlantic Business School. You have never been this close to getting so far.